Restore me, O Lord. I am tired. I am broken. And I need you. Restore my joy. Restore my peace. Restore my finances. Restores my famine. Restore my health. Restore my life. Your word says, you'll restore the years I have lost. Lord, give me back everything the enemy stole. Heal me, fix me, restore me, lift me again. From today, I step into restoration. I step into abundance. I step into overflow. I step into my season of peace and joy. I am restored and empowered. In Jesus' mighty name. Amen. Like, share, and follow so this prayer can reach someone who needs it.